Hello WordPress nerds. In this video we are going to talk about order by menu order. In our previous video we talked about order by meta value. This is kind of similar, but this ordering is only for the pages in order to set custom ordering. So we can set the numbers to some pages and it will start displaying based on the number we give. So let's jump into the code. So this is the simple WP query I have written, and if you don't know how to write this, I would suggest you see my first video of this playlist and then come back over here. So here I am just showing you, I'm just displaying the page, and it 5 pages per page, and default ordering will be the descending order of the ID of the page. So now we are going to use order by menu order. So what this represent? So whenever we edit any page, let's say I'm gonna edit this about us page. And in the page attribute, you see this order over here. So this represent this meta field. So let's say I want to add one over here. I'm gonna add one over here for about us, and for blogs I'm gonna add two over here. So it will display 0, 1 and 2 when I order by menu order. So let me add an order by, order is ascending, and order by menu order. So it will start displaying in ascending order, so 0 will come first. So let's refresh this page, and as you can see, all the zeros will start displaying first. So let me do this descending so that it will order in descending order. So as you can see, I gave blogs number 2 and about us is number 1, so it start displaying in that order. So that means it follows that this ordering menu order. Let's try to make this React table at the top. So if I go to, what is the ID of this 985, and I will replace the ID over here 985 so that I will get the React table page. There it is. So I'm gonna set this order at number 3. So 3 is the maximum number right now, so React table will start display first. And yeah, it's hard to determine in order in ascending because there are lots of zeros we have as a menu order. So yeah, but it is displaying in right order. If we go to the last page, we have our blogs and React table based on our ordering. And yeah, this is only applicable for pages. And yeah, if you, so this is how it works. It's pretty simple. And if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.